Hello guys, now we will see how to install the Terraform over the Ubuntu. For that, we have to access the Terraform website. Here we have a download option available. We are talking about the Ubuntu. Ubuntu falls under the Linux, and the first option is available related to the Ubuntu. If you want to install it over the CentOS or Red Hat, you have to fire these commands. For Fedora, you have to fire these commands, and if you are using it over the Amazon Linux, you have to use these commands. You just need to copy paste over the operating system. So this wget command will uh, download the GPG keys related to the HashiCorp and make a part of apt-get installation. After that, we have to update the operating system of Ubuntu, and then we have to install the Terraform. apt-get download these keys. After that, we create a repositories for HashiCorp. Now I'm going to update the operating system. Once update completed, we have to install the Terraform. Oh, sorry. Installation has been completed. Let's see to fire the Terraform command. We can check the version using -v option. I will update all the steps over the description as well. Thanks guys.